Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to create a large triangle out of that to find x. So, to find x, I'm going to create that triangle there. So I'm going to get rid of that one side because now I have a right triangle again. So this side of this triangle, I know that this side is 11.8. This side of the triangle, this piece here is 16.2, and this piece here is 40. So this side would be 56.2. Now you can use your Pythagorean theorem to figure it out. Yeah. So, to figure out x, sorry, I'm like all over the place now because I didn't like this picture. So to find x, I would have 11.8 squared plus 56.2 squared equals x squared. So just to save space, I'm going to go ahead and just do it in my calculator. Plus 56.2 squared. You square root that. Yeah. Okay, so this distance here, 57.4 nautical miles. So that's our first answer. Okay, now, to get the bearing, the easiest way to do the bearing, I could do either one of these triangles, but the easiest way to do the bearing is just to use this theta right here. So this angle in here. Because since I already have a right triangle set up, I can find theta by just doing tangent of theta equals opposite over adjacent. So then theta is going to be the tangent inverse or arctangent of that. So theta will equal 11.9. Because the angle is inside of it, so the only way to get the angle outside of the tangent is to inverse both sides. So what it's like doing is doing this. I take tangent inverse of both sides. So this cancels out and just gives me theta. And then I'm left with that over on that side. Okay, now, a lot of people leave this as their answer. That's wrong. You're going to lose points. So my theta has to be, I need a bearing. So I'm starting from west. And then I'm going north from that. So this would need to be your answer for your bearing. Homework will be okay, now you're going to have more evens this time, but again, if you need to check them, what do you need? Yep, right here. So it's right here, and I use that one because it's inside that angle. Huh? Because I'm starting from the west direction. I'm not touching the north direction. So it would start with north if I was finding this angle up here, because then it's touching the north direction. Now, the way I do your tests and your quizzes is I will change the story problems a little bit, but all your story problems will essentially come from the homework. So, if you get to a quiz or a test and there's a story problem that you've never seen and you have no idea how to do it, it's because you never did that on your homework.